Everyone, Mrs. Lemansky here. Today I want to give you a very quick tutorial on how to add a class to your Google Classroom. So sometimes a teacher might drop in a link directly into a Google Classroom. So if, for example, you were on your homeroom, your teacher might drop a link right here in the top of the stream, and you can just click on that link and it will ask you if you would like to join a classroom, and you say yes. And that is one way to add your classroom. Teachers might also send a link in Gmail, and you could click on that, and it would take you to Google Classroom and ask you if you wanted to join a class, and you would say yes. But sometimes younger students don't have access to Gmail, or a teacher is not dropping the link directly in a classroom stream. In that case, you will need to use the class code you have been given and manually add the class yourself to your class's landing page. So to show you how to do this, I am in my daughter's Google Classroom, so I can show it to you from the student end. And you can see we are on her main landing page where I can see all of her classes. Now, for older students, you're going to have a lot more classes, and for younger students, less. So she's in kindergarten. I have her primary page for her class teacher, and then I have her Unified Arts special and specials listed separately. So when you are on this main classroom landing page, and just in case you need to make sure that you get there, let's say you open Classroom and you are actually in your child's main Google Classroom page, and you want to go back to that landing page, you are going to go up to this hamburger menu in the corner, these three lines, and you're going to click on that, and you're just going to select the home button, the classes button, and that takes you back to this main landing page. Now, to add a class, I am going to go to the upper right-hand corner where I see this plus sign, and you'll see if I hover over it, it says underneath, Join Class. Hey, that's what I want to do. Perfect. I am going to click on that plus button, and I'm going to get to this account. Always make sure your child's name and address pop up there. If not, you'll need to switch an account. This is particularly true if you have multiple children on the same device. You should always check and make sure you're in the correct account. Then you're going to see a box that says class code, and it has an empty box right here that you can click in and enter the code. So I am going to enter the class code for our help desk because that's what I want to add to her account, and that is TYO66PQ. And once I have entered the code, I just have to make sure that I go back up to the upper right-hand corner, and where I see this blue join button, click on that. And then it tells me I am joining the class. And here I am in that classroom stream, the student help desk. And if I go back to the left-hand side to that hamburger menu, to that main menu, and click on it and go back to my home classes page, okay, my main landing page, then I am going to see that this new classroom has been added to her classroom list. Now, let's say I really don't want that to be the first class that is available for her to click on because I always want her to be able to go to her kindergarten homeroom. I can just click on that class and holding down that button, drag it to where I want it to be. So you can also rearrange all the classes on your landing page to be in the order that makes sense to you or best suits you or your child in this case. Okay, I hope that helped everyone. Quick, easy tutorial on how to add a class to Google Classroom and, of course, rearrange your classes on the main page. Until next time, take care.